Welcome to a unique blend of elegance and smart design, where modern living meets perfect terrain harmony. First, explore our 2 and 3 bedroom semi-detached duplexes, 3 in total, each featuring open plan living areas, spacious kitchens, ensuite bedrooms, and private balconies. Crafted for comfort and style, these homes strike a perfect balance between shared convenience and individual privacy. Next, the cozy 2-bedroom standalone, designed for young families or retirees, offers a compact yet luxurious living experience with its functional layout and serene outdoor space. Finally, perched gracefully atop a steep slope is our crown jewel, a breathtaking 3-bedroom villa with panoramic views, tiered landscaping, and floor-to-ceiling glass panels. It's the ultimate blend of nature and architecture. For more info, please contact or WhatsApp. Links in the profile and also in our video. We do architecture designs, structure designs, and construction. Thank you very much.